lovely people. How are you? I'm doing really well. So if you read from my title, you will see that I am going to be unboxing a new subscription to me. It is called my paper box and it is customized. So that's why it says Anne's paper box. Now I did open it because I wanted to see exactly what you do get in there, what it details. But let me let you know a little. I did get this free for review before I forget, but you guys know my opinions are always honest. So let me read you a little bit about what this is. So there's two subscriptions you can get. One is $10 and one is $28. So in the $10 one, you will get 3 personalized notepads every month. Now it's always themed, so that's good. And in the grand subscription, you will receive your own personalized paper box, including personalized notepads, cards, planners, and more. Each box will be a new theme, and their boxes are always customized. So I believe I got the bigger one, which is called the Grand Subscription. And let me show you, without further ado, what you will get. So like I said, I did open it. It did come with like a really nice sticker like that. And it says, hey there, pumpkin. So this is, I believe, the October box, but going into November because it has to do with Thanksgiving. And I think that they do this, that way you have it before Thanksgiving and you can kind of prepare for it. So, no apparent order. I'm just going to take out what I see and tell you what it is. Now, I don't remember if there's a card in here that tells you what everything is. Oh no, what the heck did I do? Always dropping stuff. It says, we wanted to give you a little help this Thanksgiving holiday. We have included all the tools you need to make this year a success. We've included recipe cards, table placement cards, a Thanksgiving planner, and many goodies inside. So there you go. All right, so I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see. And this says Anne's November. And so it has like a little calendar right there. And on the back it says, be thankful for what you have. Amen. You'll end up having more if you can concentrate on what you don't have. You will never, ever have enough. Let me read that again. Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never have enough. Now that is so true, so true. So this you could put right on your little desk and count the days down, I guess, to Thanksgiving. So there you go, we got that. I really do like that saying. Okay, the next thing we got is little like cards. It says, welcome to Anne's Thanksgiving. We're thankful for. So what this is, I guess you put it around everybody's plate and then everybody will tell you what they're thankful for. So which is good. If I can get the thing out of there. Let me see if I can get one out. Okay. So it looks like that. And of course you would just fold it like this and put it down. And that's really nice. And then, you know, everybody can put what they're thankful for. So that's really, really nice. And I don't know how many you get. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like about 6, give or take. So that is cool. The next thing we get is 2 of these from the kitchen of, and it says Anne. And on the back, you would put, I guess, the name of your recipe, the ingredients, and the directions. So, like, everybody loves my homemade baked macaroni and cheese, so I would put baked macaroni and cheese, all the ingredients I use, and exactly how I do it, and you can give them out. So there's only 2 of these right there. So then we have Anne's Thanksgiving planner. And so, okay, so this is cool. So that's good. So you can put everybody who's coming, reserved, yes or no if they're coming, the dishes, the guests, and then your shopping list. So you don't forget your appetizer, sides, meat, desserts, potatoes, drinks, bread, and other. And then on the back has a little bit more cooking schedule, conversation starters, so when everybody's at the table. That's pretty cool. On here it tells you like what you do right before Thanksgiving, like the days leading up to Thanksgiving. So I really think that's pretty cool too, to get prepared, because I know, like me, I'm the one that does all the cooking, and depending on how many people's coming or what, you know, I get all like crazy. So that's good to have. All right. The next thing, okay, here is another one from the kitchen. So then I guess we get 3 of the recipe cards. All right, what else do we get? So here is a card. It says Ann, and then it has my address. So it has my P.O. Box 674, Millville, New Jersey. And it is a card like so. And it says, sweet potato, pumpkin pie. Touch my dessert plate, get a fork in your eye. So there we go. And then you open it up and it says Love Ann, and then you can just write whatever you want. So that's cool. So it has your address and everything on there. Be nice if they included stamps. I know I'm pushing it. All right, so we have another card here that says, may your stuffing be tasty. May your turkey be plump. May your potatoes and gravy have a nary a lump. May your yams be delicious and your pies take the prize. And may your Thanksgiving dinner stay off your thighs. Amen. So there we go, right there. And on the back it says Love Ann. And again, you can write whatever you want, and it has your address as well. So like I said, everything is customized. And then the last thing you get is his things in thankful for, and it has my name, Ann. So you get like a little, you know, notepad right there with a pretty decent amount of paper. So that's everything that you get in this box. So this is $28. So do you think that all this stuff will be $28? Now, if you want to get the $10 box, I'm surmising that you would get 3 notepads, I guess, with your name, and every month will be customized. This is customized for Thanksgiving. So what do you think of it? Do you think all this is worth it for $28? Let me know in the comments down below. I really like getting different subscription boxes because there's so many that we don't even know what's out there. So I am glad that there are some companies that do get a hold of me and ask me to do a review for them, so that you guys will know exactly, and as far as me, to know the different subscription boxes, because I never knew that they had customized stationery boxes. So I think it's pretty cool. The question is, I'm not really into stationery, so if you are, is it worth $28? I think it's customized. Oh yeah, and then we got this, which I will definitely leave on my little table right here. Let me know what your thoughts of this box. I think it's a really cool idea, so let me know. Please like this video if you like unboxings. Like this video if you like Thanksgiving. Like this video if you like to eat like me, and just like this video just to like this video. And make sure you subscribe. I still have a giveaway going on. It ends in a few days. It is in my assumptions video, so make sure you watch the whole thing so you know exactly what to do to enter that giveaway. Make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you're doing this Thanksgiving, and also let me know what you think of this box. I do like that they customize it. I really do. So anyway, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.